What up? All right, let's get cracking here. Let me just do the whole window. Whole window number one. Boom. We got here. We got 3. Let's roll. Let's roll. Happy I got those 50 likes so I can go live. Let's go. Gotta get everyone else in here. Let's see. There we got my 50 likes. New comment just now. Who was it? Let's go. Get in here. Get in here. I guess I could change that to, let's do 8. It's live now. I can't. It's live. What's up, Richie? Dude, I appreciate the follow on Twitter and interacting with my tweets. It means a lot. It really does. Really does. Really does. Let me get that up, actually. Plug that. And then plug my YouTube as well. Obviously, yeah, yesterday with the Fed rates, right? Fed decision, I think they decided they just did nothing. Just no indication of cutting rates. Rates are down though. Actually, funny story. Well, actually, I guess not. I thought mortgage rates were down. I thought maybe I was wrong. I thought they've kind of stayed stagnant. But yeah, again, looking more for a soft landing. You got to get inflation down. But yeah, I think they even said that even in March, they're not planning to cut rates either. Probably just hold flat. I think that's why the market didn't like it. I think the market really had it priced in. Doesn't mean I'm bearish in any way, shape, or form, but I just think the market had it a little bit priced in, kind of with what they were thinking. Obviously, with this, especially when I don't know, I think it was in the December meeting that they were looking to cut rates in 2024. Obviously, market really liked that, and it's kind of been priced in since. But yeah, obviously, a lot of moves are priced in. That's why I'm not a big news-based trader. Where is everybody? I guess I did put 8:30. What if I change that to live now? Let me change that to now or to 8 a.m. for 1.5 hours. Let's see that. Let's see if it says live now. Yeah, I could be live. Okay, perfect. All right. All right. So let's kind of develop a plan here. I wanted to wait for people to come in, but so obviously we're gapping up. So far I like SPY. Okay, don't love Netflix. I like Apple. I like Apple above here. Yes. I don't know. SPY like a little bit better. Just from the gap up. I'm like a retest there. Like a retest of back. I'll get into it when we get more people in here. I just don't have to go through it multiple times. And then yeah, not my problem they're not in here, but I just don't. There's only 5 of us. I'm planning for around 50. So AMD, kind of the same thing. I like longs above 171 up to here. Not really bearish at all. I really want to stay against puts or shorts until we get that kind of confirmation that, hey, top's kind of in for the short term. Let's play it safe and get short. Again, same thing here, kind of break here. Can look for longs on Meta or a retracement back, target that high. So Meta, who was on the watch list? Meta, AMD, Netflix, or Apple, SPY. Netflix isn't bad either. What's 1 minute look like? We did gap. Let me see at market open. 1.5R with that gap fill. Wait for a pullback. Could be a quicker one, but could work. I don't know what contracts will be like, but Let me look, NFLX. I guess they haven't been updated from yesterday, huh? Yeah, so it wouldn't matter. Today I will be trading next week expiration. Full transparency. I am actually, I may trade depending on contract pricing. I am not a 0 DTE trader, and no one should be. You're literally just gambling. 0 DTE. 1 DTE is okay. 1 DTE is okay. Yeah, looking at it's like 515 ask for the 565 call on Netflix. So Netflix looks solid too. Netflix looks solid too. BA, don't really trade it that much. Probably shouldn't be on the watch list anyway. Microsoft. How about Microsoft with the dump from all-time highs? But gapped up. So again, kind of the same plan. Don't love this as much. Like to see the kind of a break of this high or a retest of demand. So let me do that. Not add alert. Add draw horizontal line. So like longs there. Tesla. Dude, Tesla's just been on an absolute tear to the downside. Kind of like, make sure you guys can still see my screen. Yeah, perfect. What's up, Glenn? What's up, Lisa? What's up, Casey? What's up, Robert? And I don't know if I said good morning, Judy. Good morning to you too. But yeah, the Tesla's just been kind of on this weird tear. Again, I like longs down in here. I don't think, and then with confirmation, I don't think I like anything up until that. So probably gonna stay away from that. Amazon, nice strong gap up here. Nice strong gap up. Really like either, you can say a break, kind of pull back, boom, that'd be awesome. But even if we get something there, so that would be on my watch list. A lot of stocks kind of look similar. Qs, kind of the same thing. So a lot of good setups, potential setups today. We'll see how we open. Google, absolutely, they had good earnings, but something they didn't like. So a dump. Let me remove my drawings. Again, we got demand. We got supply. I'm not a big target gap fill guy. I'm just not. But dude, if we can break this high, I'm definitely interested in longs up to there. So like put that on the watch list, and let's look at NVIDIA. Doesn't really look like buyers are too present. We did have a break there. I don't think I like NVIDIA. I don't think the risk reward's there. So kind of narrow it down. I guess I forgot NQ. What's NQ looking like? NQ. Yeah, if we can take out this high. Oh yeah, crispy. Let me put my alert there. Yeah. ES was just kind of weird, right? ES, like we need above this high. It's 100-point move. I guess I'm looking at a little too high of a time frame, but I mean, I guess we could take break, strong low, supply. Could take something like this. Could do that. It's not terrible. I guess I was looking at too high of a time frame. Let's add it. Let's add it to the watch list. I'm definitely in trading mode today, but don't want to force things still. May need to just take a breather, put my AirPods in, listen to some piano, whatever, just to relax a little bit. But I always have my best mental days, and it's just a common thing. You get up when the alarm goes off, or right before the alarm goes off. That's even better. Shower, have coffee. Dude, that's like the best day. Yeah, I am thinking. I mean, I would love to take TLM. Just don't really have. If you have a TLM setup, definitely look for it. I'm just not doing TLM on the lives yet. Should next week should start TLM on the lives next week. Jordan has a webinar today, and he's going to share some information on that. So make sure you guys tune into that. Yeah, make sure you guys tune into that. Man, where is everybody, man? Somewhere for the 50 likes. I guess we still got 3 minutes. Yeah, bet. Yeah, if you can, all for me, just go ahead and like this live. Go ahead and like it for me, and that would be much appreciated. Let's go right there. Like, right there. That'd be much appreciated. Kind of just, are you guys looking at anything specific, or is my watch list kind of overwhelming you guys? um, Again, not looking for anything right off open, so I'm gonna wait till market opens, and I'm gonna go through and mark my alerts out. I just don't want them going off and off and off like they do. So anything you guys are looking at? IWM. Oh yeah, dude, that's a stock that I've never really traded, and I think I should. It'd be a good stock to trade. I'm trying to watch on some mostly. Dude, that's exactly what I did when I was first starting. Again, it was different. When I first started, right, I was following alerts. So when I actually started, learning from Jordan, I was MES and SPY only. That's all I did. Allowed me to look, focus on one, master one, and then I started expanding. I really didn't start expanding out until about a year of profitable trading. Like really, it took me about a year to feel comfortable going back to, looking at this. Like my watch list used to just be kind of like this. Like as you can see, 5 of those are S&P 500. QCon, we'll look at that Q as well. Yeah, market's about to open. IWM, yeah, kind of the same plan as the rest, right? What I hate about this pullback is that we typically like to see a pullback of 50%. However, this break of this high would still give me enough confirmation to long up to below supply here, maybe 198 or maybe even 197. So let's say hypothetically we come up, we gap up, boom, boom, something like that. Right, get in at this pullback, stop below either that low or really this low, and you can target up to here, kind of like that. Nice 1.1 R trade. All right, Etsy, that was a potential swing. I don't think I'm going to take it. I looked at it a couple more times and didn't really like it. So really like on IWM, and I'll look at QCOM in a second. IWM would either like to see, right, stop hunt, push higher, or break of this high. So I'm going to put an alert there and here. But if this breaks, I'm going to play on a pullback. So let's actually, I'm going to add that to the watch list. I don't know why that's not on there. It's a good stock to trade, honestly. All right, let's go back to the watch list. So SPY pumping up. Again, it's kind of that same thing, right? I don't love that this pullback's not 50%. It's still a break of structure. If we break here, still can give me confirmation. Netflix was able to gap up right here. Again, same thing, not 50%, but I could enter on a potential pullback. Where's my 50% retracement? Enter around somewhere in here. Let's try that out. That's a potential long. I think the premiums aren't terrible. Spread's a little wide right now because we just opened, but the 565 call for today is around the midpoints around 600, so not bad. Don't trade that too much, but again, Apple continuing to dump. Probably, maybe nothing on Apple, honestly, maybe nothing. I guess we have demand down here. Let's see if we can get it bounce down here. Probably won't touch it until down there. AMD. Hope I'm not going too fast for you, but yeah, AMD kind of looks like we stop on it this high. I think I may have missed it. It may already be gone. Yeah, it may already be gone. That's okay. I missed it yesterday too. I freaking missed it yesterday. It was a perfect trade. This one will hit. As you can see, pull back 50%. Sometimes it just happens too fast, and that's okay. Nice 1.5R trade. I'm sure that hits, probably even up to here. That's okay. So probably done with AMD. Oh, well. Meta still has potential. Broke here. It's probably done. Honestly, it's probably done. SPY. This doesn't look terrible. I'm definitely gonna wait for a pullback though if we get it. So definitely we'll wait for a pullback. Yeah, definitely. But that'll be on my radar. Yeah, AMD solid. I don't. If this pulls back, it's because this is a stop on. So I don't want to play that because we already broke it once. So it's a stop on. I don't want to play it. I will play it if boom come back up. Right, I'll play that. So I guess I can put another down here, but still only looking for longs. Microsoft, kind of that same game plan. Don't like how wide my stop has to be. But could play, let's see, what's a pullback look like? Let's just say hypothetically it goes to 406 before it turns. Just put an alert at 403, potentially like that. Even though this is 1-to-1, it is 1-to-1. I just feel like this, like that's a pretty big move. Like what's the percentage on that? Like what is that? That is a 3% swing either way. So 1.5 either way. It's just, I'd rather get this and target up to here if I'm 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? A little bit more likely to work out. I'm going too fast, Casey. Sorry. Yeah, this is how my brain works. I'm getting you guys full insight to my brain. The AMD. Yeah, perfect here. Boom, alert there. Could potentially take the break. Boom, target up to here. It's a 2% move. And okay, SPY crossed. SPY with the cross. I think I really like SPY. And I'll do a Monday expiry probably. Let's see if we can get a pullback though, kind of into here. Let's put the alert at 484.8. Let's see if we can get a pullback. If we can get a pullback, I definitely like longs. If not up to here. I mean, that's a 1 to 2 hour trade. I would probably be fine going here. What does that look like sizing wise? But yeah, I'm still gonna wait for the pullback. So we do have a break. Freaking locked in today. So I would do the 5th expiration, which would be Monday, 305 right now. Again, I could take. No, I can't take that. Yeah, definitely want to pull back. Again, ideally 50%, but having that alert there just in case. Don't have an OCO set. I'll let you know if I do. There, see AMD. Like I said, freaking stop hunt. So now that we broke here, I would still want to see this high break, unless if we go like this. Then I could play up to here, but AMD is probably down. Take it off. Actually, I'm just gonna take it off. I got too much on the watch list, anyways. What alert just went off? I wonder why AMD dumped like that. Apple potentially a good play. Nah, probably staying away. Meta, like I said, kind of need that pullback. Let's just put an alert here if we get it. Microsoft would have worked. Honestly, could have entered right there. Would have been a solid play. That's what you want to see, right? You remember how AMD wicked, right? See how AMD wicked, right? That's a break of structure. But what happens after, right? We immediately reverse. So it's a stop hunt, right? So we know it's a stop hunt by what happens after, right? It's like this is a clear break of structure. So break of structure is price breaks and continues, or breaks and trades at, right? So Microsoft could potentially still be good. I don't want that move to go much higher before we pull back. Let me see. What's my risk reward right now at SPY? Right now I got a 0.8. Yeah, so still got to get a little bit more of a pullback. May get it. Could really come down all the way to demand here. So just gonna be patient. Just gonna be patient. And then look at ES. ES, perfect. Stop one of the lows, push higher. ES, I might take 2. Take one contract of ES and some SPY calls. Target up to there. You know what? I think I like that. Let's freaking ride ES longs. Let me get into trade of 8 here. Yeah, so ES longs, I'm just going to have a limit set at the break of 489.492.5, kind of that limit there. And then obviously my stop would be here, not all the way down there. So let's get that set up. What was it? 489.2. Or you could even play. I mean, this is a break. SPY's pulling back from me, right? Not yet. It's close. Really you need one a day, right? Don't need to. I just have the wide watch list. I get lots of options, but really only need one a day. In the right sizing, you can be a full-time trader right there. All right. Yeah, let's put a limit in at the break of. I don't really like that. I'd rather have the break up here give me confirmation. 4892.75. 4892.75. Don't get it? We don't get it, right? It's okay. So stupid. Trade of 8 has a freaking $2 processing fee for data. So stupid. The live data costs $4. It's ridiculous. Yeah, but still want to see that break. Amazon with the cross. Bro, everything's playing out for me. Okay, Amazon. I have it here. Do have it. Would probably like to see. I don't know if I like this target or I like this target. What's that range? 2% of the stock increase. We're already up 1. This would be 4%. You know what? Let's freaking try it on a pullback. Let's try it. AMZN. Okay, where is the Amazon? There it is. Let's try it. If you get a pullback, bro, let's try it. Probably move my target down to here. A little bit more reasonable. And then what's SPY doing? Okay. Bro, I literally have real-time data. I'm trying to get into an ES long. It's like, you have to subscribe to real-time data. I did. And you charge my card. Maybe I have to refresh. Yeah, let's try it now. What was the other one? Amazon? Yeah, I get a pullback right here. Google I like too. Oh, this is kind of already given us that pullback. But let's look at that. Let me look at Google. That might be the one to play. Something like this. Boom. Stop. Target right there. Yeah, I like that. Do a 1DT on Google. I'm gonna get the 140 calls. Let's go 3. Should be fine. Yeah, that looks solid. Okay, we're in here. if I can freaking get ES, my trade of 8 to work. Yeah, Google's looking really good. About right. I entered about right there. My stop can be technically below. Yeah, below there. Nice trade. Let me put an OCO on. Up $55 already. Apple's good. Bro, I'm so mad. ES is going to rip. I already know. ES is going to rip, and I can't freaking get my live data. Why is this not working? I already got charged. Maybe it got declined. Like, look, it's going right to where I want it. Come on. I guess I could also trade SPY. I mean, oh yeah, it declined it. Okay. Let's try this again. It said decline due to my address is not matching. What? Whatever. Okay, we're giving up on ES, but we can still trade SPY. No, we can't. I guess I could target up to there. Just risky. Giving up on it. Well, we'll just try Google out for the bread. Let me put my OCO in. So we're going to have our OCO. Yeah, probably just taking Google because I can't get an ES. Amazon's not looking like it's going to pull back. Q's playable, kind of. Probably going to stop, not do Q's. Meta, no pullback. Microsoft, probably no pullback. AMD, done. Netflix, done. SPY, I will play if we pull back. I don't know. I think this move might be too big. Like, I kind of like that target better. So, I really like the yes, but that's okay, man. I guess I have to, like, can you not hear me? Can you not hear me? What the heck? Hello. Why did it stop working? Oh, okay. Yeah, my green, like, I have a little thing that shows that I'm talking. It's not showing up right here, but let me go back to my OCO. Sorry, I did not have my chat open. So sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right, let's go back to the OCO. So OCO, again, OCOs are just going to help me eliminate my emotions, right? They're also going to help me be able to automate this fully so I don't have to think about it. Let's target right there, 143.7. So I don't have to think about this, right? Once I get this in, I'm done looking at Google, right? 143.7 is going to be my target. I'm going to close that contract at market price. Then my stop is, of course, going to be 139.8. I kind of always round to the nearest 0.05, which makes it easier to plug in at or below at market price. What was it? 139.8. And yeah, 139.8 should look good. Market at or below. Yep, it's good. Perfect. So let's hope for a nice pop and we'll get filled up there and should be rocking and rolling. Yeah, SPY never got a pullback. ES, I tried it. I just don't have the live data, so I'll fix that after the stream. Let me look. I can still look at QCOM. Sorry, Robert. I got in setup mode. Probably going to be done with Meta rip without us. Microsoft's not pulling back. Let's keep it on the watch list just in case. Amazon move already happened, in my opinion. Q's kind of just sitting flat. Let me see. I mean, I guess. guess. I'll put an alert. I just feel like if we come down here, we're not going to go up. So, yes, with the stop hunt, Google's still sitting up flat. So let's just watch Google. And then let's look at QCOM. Robert, were you looking at QCOM from a day or a swing trading perspective? I don't know why you. Yeah, I don't know why you can hear. Check your volume on your device. Everyone else seems to be able to hear. And Chris, I just saw yours. You're welcome. Thanks for liking the message in the vault and promoting that for me. Let's look at QCOM. So hopefully this is for Robert here. Again, looking at we're obviously gapped down into demand right here, right? We did kind of get the break, right? So we did form we have high, low, high, lower low, break of higher low, right? So potentially if I want to take a trade, right, I have my stop below this low, can target up to here. Could work. Could work. So I don't know. That doesn't look terrible for a day trade. If you're looking swing, let me know. I know you probably can't hear me, but let me know if you're looking for swing. We can look at that here in a second. I really do like this still. I really do like this still. See what I mean by stop hunt versus break of structure, right? We did break and we kind of traded at. This is a low probability setup though, because this retracement wasn't 50% and then this retracement wasn't 50%. It's close, but it wasn't, right? So it's less likely to work out, but I still do like that. I wish it was in futures, but that's okay. But let me get that set up for Monday. I think I really like that. I think at this point, that's a good enough entry there. Yeah, let's do it. I'll just do the 484 calls. We'll do 3 of those. I think that'll be enough. 3, I don't think that would be too much size. I'm trying to have my max loss be $300. So I think that'd be good. Yes, and SPY as well. That'll be all the trades I take today. I don't want to leverage more. So that's everything I'm taking. Again, obviously would like to see kind of that pullback, but it's okay. Would love the pullback of 50%, but we're dang close. Actually, we're not even close, but my risk reward's there. Okay. Some things I kind of want to point out for you guys. So, Chris, I'm not giving alerts. Come on, but yeah, it's right here on my screen. And I round to the nearest 0.05, so up or down, on my targets and stops. How very good. Again, I want to teach, don't want to handhold. I handhold through coaching and the mentorship. Let me log in my other PC here. I handhold through coaching and the mentorship, right? We literally give you a custom blueprint so you know exactly what you need to do. So you look just like this. Again, everyone in our mentorship is going to look just like this trading, right? That's what we do in there. Again, we literally sit with you over 8 coaching sessions so you can trade just like this, right? That's what we do. I'm actually going to drop, if you guys do have any interest in potentially joining that, or even just seeing if you're a good fit and seeing if we can help you, I'm going to drop a link in the chat here. Go ahead and just fill out that survey and book a call. All right, we're taking calls today and tomorrow, and just hop in and book a call. It's a brand new month. Again, we work with 15 students per month, so at the start of the month, we're always like, dude, book a call. Let's see what we can do to help. If there's a way to help you, let's do it. But yeah, I dropped that link there. Go ahead and book a call. Fill out that survey for me and book a call. Again, it's just going to help you. Again, it's 100% free. We're just going to see, hey, what are your struggles? Can we actually help you? that's our mission. If we can help you, we want to help you. So go ahead and book a call in at that link I just posted there. Yeah, looking solid. Experiencing some drawdown now on Google. Basically break even, but up on SPY. I don't think Google, I'm being too greedy, right? I don't think. We did get that pullback of 50%. You got the break of structure here and here. I think this is going to work. So it's just might take a little bit longer. I honestly don't trade Google too much. I think I'm 0 for 3 or 0 for 2 on Google this month. So I need to win. Let's see. And I really thought, kind of bummed we only got 24 people. Is there anything that you guys can think of that I need to do to, because like we have almost 2K members, right? Why do we have 24 people in here? Is there a way that I can increase that? Like this is my baby. Like I want to help grow this thing. I want to help people out for free. I just don't know. If you guys have any tips, put in the chat. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. Like this is how I trade. Like I'm done. Like that was 23 minutes of work, since market opened, and now I'm automated and I'm just waiting for either hit my stop, hit my target. I got to set my OCO on SPY. If at or above, I could target there. Let me target that liquidity there. 487.35. And my stop would be 482.85. I'm gonna look at my potential risk here. So for Friday expiration, I bought the 484 calls. I entered at basically there. So then my stop was 42.86. Yeah, loss would be about $300. Okay, then my target of 487. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, I need to see Google rip. Let's see. Maybe, Mitten, maybe. Maybe it is, but I mean, I also don't know the demographic of people inside. Right? Maybe we have a lot of people that are foreign. Like, I don't know. I think a lot of people are US based, but it'll get better. It'll grow. I just want to make sure my efforts. I mean, for you guys, you the 24 faithful, you guys have been awesome. So, yes, you bet, Chris. I was just messing with you. Josh, again, don't want to give alerts, but I will show my screen. And typically, if I have, I guess I entered up here. Typically, if I have this, right? Yeah, that would say I'm in a trade. Again, SPY's not really moving like I would like it. Okay, how do I get rid of that? Freaking, it's not moving like I like. Google is though. Google's looking good. Google can get above this high. I can just mark it as a win, but SPY's kind of just staying flat. So I guess I could have been more patient here, but Yeah, that's another thing I thought, Judy, too. Normally, I obviously give a ton of notice, but obviously, I wasn't going to do it live today unless I got the 50 likes, and then I got the 50 likes at like 8:10, so 20 minutes before market open. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. QCOM double beat. Yeah, no, that's still fine. All right, still fine. Google going up, SPY going down. Netflix done, Apple done, AMD. So AMD did stop hunt that, stop hunt high, stop hunt low, but yeah, done. Microsoft done, Amazon done. Kind of Qs. I don't want to get in another trade. That'd be 3 trades with the same idea. It'd be pretty kind of pointless. But Qs looks a little bit cleaner than SPY does. Interesting. What's ES doing? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not in that. I could not get filled. Kind of glad, I'm kind of glad I would have experienced quite a bit of drawdown there. Yeah, if this low gets taken out, SPY probably an L, but maybe not. Google is looking good though. Google's looking really good. If SPY does just stay flat, Google will make up for it. Let me reset the chart. Yeah, Google's looking tasty, baby. Good move. Okay, so Robert was saying the same thing. Let me try. I'm going to put my AirPods in. Let me see if this helps. Because I don't have a mic. Can you guys hear me? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Does it sound better with these? Sound better? Or sound has been fine the whole time? And it's maybe it's not me, it's you. Gotcha. Okay. So it wasn't me. I was about to say new laptop. What the heck? Fine the whole time. Appreciate that. Okay, IWM alert went off. That was for the break of the low. Yeah, still they'll give me, if we take out this high, that we get even more confirmation we're gonna see new highs. We must have had news. Yeah, 9:00 news. Google must have liked it, but SPY guess didn't. Yeah, I think so too. Sean, I think so too. Yeah, it looks like whatever that market data was. What was it? We got, what was it? What the heck? Oh, this is in Eastern time. Construction spending and ISM. What the heck? It's weird. It's probably just a fake out. Google looking solid. Okay. Another thing, y'all, go follow my Twitter, please. Go follow it. You guys might already follow it, but I bet there's one person in here that's not. Go ahead and follow that. For me. Yeah, make sure you guys sub to the YouTube. Got 179. Looking on the up and up. Again, I put in the chat a week or so ago this year. Where's it at? This is really something I want to start doing. Since you guys would be the, good luck, Casey. Since you guys would be the only people watching it, probably you 23 people in here. Should I kind of every evening put, hey, which stock should be on my watch list tomorrow, and kind of ask you guys? Should I do like my own personal, what I'm looking at for the day? Just let me know. And also, how soon do you guys need that? I'm typically in a coaching session from 7:30 a.m. to 8. So, or sorry, I'll talk in Eastern time, from 8:30 to 9 Eastern, right? So I would film it after that. So the earliest I could probably get it to you 8:10, 8:15. Is that early enough for this? Let me know in the chat, and also let me know. Hey, do you want it to be my own, or do you want me to ask for your guys' input on what to look at and what my thoughts are on that? Five, 7, 3, 9. Honestly, I think both is good. Okay. Honestly, it's probably easier for you guys to give me stuff, because then I'm like, I don't. Apple actually kind of looks good. We got a strong low formed here. Once we break this high, Qs were looking solid before too. This is actually, of course, though I take SPY and Q is the perfect setup. Qs looks good. Q, you'd want to see, you'd want to get that 50% retrace entry. Now you're kind of late, right? You see that? Now you're kind of late. Robert, you're an Apple. Apple looks really good. Like this looks really good. Take something like this. Stop below the strong low. Target either here or kind of here. I'd probably target there. I don't know if I'd target there. You could probably target there. Yeah, you got supply up here. Yeah, you could probably target that high there. Casey, you're good. Don't get missing setups. You're good. What is that noise? Oh, maybe I'm hearing in the chat. I don't know what I'm hearing. Perfect. Oh, mRNA. Swing or day? Whoa. Dumpy. Swing or day? I think you're a swing trader, but why is it my AirPods are making like beeping noises? Can you hear me? Hello. Put in the chat a letter if you can hear me, please. Okay. Guys got me worried. Glenn, swing or day on mRNA? I'll wait for him to answer. Yeah, Apple looks really good. Honestly, that's a plus setup, especially with the strong low breaker structures here. You technically have a breaker structure here too. Pull back at 50%, stop here. That's fine too. But when you zoom out a little bit, right, you can actually see, oh, okay, I got high, I got low, I got highs, right? Got low, pull back 50%. You can kind of see it a little bit better. Again, it's not as clear as my lines, obviously, but it's pretty clear and evident. I swear, if I picked the two losers on the day, that's just part of it. But Microsoft would have been perfect, man. I should have just got in at open. I think I said that at the start of the chat. I was like, I'm going to get in Microsoft at open. And then I was like, let's wait for a pullback. But same for Amazon. Amazon the break. I had it on my plan, and it's okay. Can't win them all. But yeah, if Google can rip for me, that'd be fantastic. What's my? Yeah, I can't. I don't think I can go to here. If we take out this high, the reason I say I mark this as a win is because I'll move my stop up to break even if we take out this high. So it's kind of where my alert will be. OCO set up at here, 143.8. We can hope, Richie. That's all. Glenn, I want to look at mRNA. Do you want a day trade or a swing trade? Google will work out too. Yeah, SPY is looking really good. Stop hunt pre-market low, or sorry, market open low. Yeah, both look good. Oh, day's done, bro. That's what I love about what Jordan's taught me, man. It's like 30 minutes of work and you're just done. Like, it's so nice. It's just a different way to trade. It's just a different way to trade. Swing. There you go. Gotcha. All right. Literally vibes. Literally vibes. All right. All right. So let's look at swings. So kind of returning back to kind of those all-time lows. So at this point, I probably wouldn't short. Shorts are probably, they're exhausted, right? Your risk rewards to the upside. Let's look for potential reversal points. So I would say if honestly, like, let's look at this. So I don't use trend lines much, but let's just like draw a trend line. Okay. You would say, okay, maybe that trend line's changed, but let's look at the weekly. Sorry, let's look at the 2 hour. Right. You can kind of see here, right, that trend line's starting to change, but it's not really giving me, conviction, right? So where is a high that can break to give me that swing long conviction? Truly, it's kind of like around in this area, right? One of these highs, right? If I can get buyers to really step in and push us higher to that 206, I mean, that's a pretty big move. That's a pretty big move. I guess that might be too long term, my friend. That might be too long term. That would be like target up to here. Let me reset. Okay, let's look at kind of just this picture. Again, trend line. Okay, which gives us, so if I want to target, let's say I want to target 200. Okay, right? What do we have? High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, right? We kind of break that high, right? I would look at, okay, did we break that high? I would say probably not. But let's say we come down, we retrace 50% down to 89. We come up, and then we break structure, right? And our break of structure is here, right? At that point, but this needs to retrace 50% now, okay? It needs to retrace 50% to form a strong low, okay? It needs to retrace 50%. I'm looking at a swing perspective, right? This needs to retrace 50%, okay, for a strong low. If we then break structure here, we break this high at 115. Bro, yes. Dude, I'm loving that. Boom. Target up to 200. You can or you can't hear me? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for you, Glenn. I'm looking at a swing for mRNA. What I just went through. Okay. Did that make sense? I'm like lost. I'm lost right now.
He might, Judy. Yeah, I don't know. Glenn, you can go back and rewatch that when I post it. It'd be at the 50-minute mark. Um, yeah, he must have not been able to. Google's not doing exactly what we wanted. I don't know. We're already up 1%. I don't think 2% gain on a stock is too much to ask for. Like 3. I don't think that's too much. I think that's in a relative range, but maybe that's too greedy. I mean, Amazon would hit target. Microsoft almost hit target. AMD flat. Apple kind of flat. Still looks solid though. Just needs a push. Apple SPY looking good. Google looking. Eh. Glenn is like spamming us like a bot. Oh, funny. Swing. Yeah, I think he's delayed. Maybe not. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, I'm sitting up about, what am I sitting up? I'm about 10% on SPY, 5% Google because of this pullback. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'm just not giving realistic expectations for this. I don't know, but up nice on the day though. Well, y'all, I mean, there's really nothing. Do you guys have anything else you're looking at? I mean, the biggest thing now is, right, if you had enough conviction and confirmation to enter, trust your stop, trust your target. That's all I got to say. If you can't set OCOs, set an alert right before your target so you can get out. Set an alert right before your stop so you can get out, right? Don't get caught screen watching all day. Go enjoy your day, right? Go enjoy the day. That's all you got to do. George Smith, I can't message on YouTube. Dude, Microsoft, if you're in the live, dude, Microsoft did freaking rip. I can't message on YouTube. I'm trying to figure out why. I don't know, George. I have chat approved, so you should be able to. This has just been like this has been the weirdest experience live streaming today with you guys. Like, I feel like everything is going sideways. Of course, Google doesn't want to rip while the rest of the market rips. Google was premature. It's okay. Apple looks really good, honestly. Microsoft was just a rip right off open. It would have been perfect. Amazon, perfect. But I know you guys have the supply and demand video, but one thing he doesn't, I think he does a little bit, but about the explosion of, instead of only playing the retest, right? Playing the formation of, right? So formation, I teach this to a lot of my students in the mentorship. It's the formation of supply and demand. You don't always have to wait for a retest, okay, but play the formation, right? So again, fast move. Jordan made a thread on this too, by the way. Did you guys see that thread? I'll put it in here. Yeah, Roy, I could probably do that. You mean like inside of TradingView? Google is basically back to break even now. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I could probably do a video on it. I could probably do a video like my fib settings, my how to make a template. A lot of that stuff is already on YouTube. I learned it from YouTube and doing it, but yeah, I could probably make a video just for specifically what I do. Let me share this with you guys. If you guys didn't, so this was on a retest, right? But he also talks about just the explosion. So what makes a demand zone strong? What makes it fail? You know, et cetera. So. Yeah, Glenn is definitely delayed. Glenn's like 10 minutes in the past. That was 9:10, 9:20. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe this move is too greedy. Maybe this move should have been more of a next Friday expiration move, an all-day move. I'm sorry. We trust. We ride. Anything else today, y'all? Probably gonna wrap it up as I'm done. But obviously, I hope you guys found value. Hope you learned some stuff, which I think you guys usually do. But I think you guys usually do. Judy, you're my favorite. I appreciate you and your activeness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think to wrap us out today, just want to make sure, hey, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. I know you guys all follow Jordan, but follow me too, support me. And then also I'm going to drop this link in here one more time. Okay. Again, if you have any interest at all, okay, about what Jordan has built within the mentorship, okay, if you have any questions at all about, will this help me? Book a call, fill out that survey, book a call, and we'll do everything that we can to see if we can help you out. Okay. If you are at the point in your trading career where you're ready to take that next step, level up, dude, book a call. Just book a call. It's 100% free. We'll just see if we can help you. Other than that, you guys take care. Have a good rest of your day. Really have a good weekend too. Tomorrow will be Friday. I don't know how much I'll trade, but have a good rest of y'all's day. And I'll see you guys in the Slack. Make sure if you guys have any questions about anything, any setups you've looked at, you're taking, whatever the case is, send me a DM. I will look over that for you and use me as a resource. Other than that, I appreciate you guys hopping on the live and enjoy the rest of your day. See y'all. Thank you.